Those who may miss SAPD Detective Benjamin Marconi the most taking the stand today. Another emotional day in the courtroom as jurors decided the sentencing of convicted murderer Otis McCain.
And today, the jury hearing for Marconi's brother, among others. Erica Hernandez joining us live now from the courthouse with more on that testimony. And the defense actually presented some witnesses today as well, Erica.
Yeah, that's correct, Steve. Well, today we started off with Tom Marconi. He is Benjamin Marconi's brother. He talked about who his brother was and how his murder affected the entire Marconi family. Now, he described Detective Marconi as a true role model to all who had a true passion for helping others. Tom Marconi also talked about the moment he heard his brother had been killed.
I just couldn't believe what I was seeing, that this was my brother who had just been murdered. I honestly probably blacked out quite a bit of some of that trauma.
Now, the state did rest this afternoon and the defense began presenting character witnesses on behalf of McCain. His best friend took the stand and spoke about how McCain not only helped raise his sisters, but helped him as well.
I had a rough upbringing. Otis volunteered his house to me and opened his door to me, and really honestly saved my life as far as I don't know where I would have been if I didn't have nowhere to go.
Now, right now on the stand is Otis McCain's mother. We'll have more on her testimony coming up at 6. Reporting live from the Bexar County Courthouse, Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
A mother today begging a jury not to sentence her son to death. Emotional testimony from the mother of Otis McCain as his defense team presented witnesses in the punishment phase of his trial. McCain facing the death penalty for the murder of an SAPD detective. Erica Hernandez takes us inside the courtroom.
A best friend, a former high school coach, and family members of Otis McCain all taking the stand this afternoon to talk about him.
But y'all are missing the Otis that I met, that I knew for 3 years. He had giant smiles. He had jokes and laughs, and he would go back and forth with you. And you can't see that today. You can't see the humanity that he is.
McCain's mom also took the stand, who we have blurred at the request of the court. She provided insight into McCain's upbringing and how much he wanted to be part of his child's life.
What kind of toll did it take on Otis not to be able to see his child?
It hurted him. He was upset.
She also got emotional when asked about the day McCain got arrested and pled to not give her son the death penalty.
You love Otis?
I love my son. I love my son. I love my son. I love my son. I don't want him to get the death penalty. Just forgive me. Forgive me, please. Forgive me.
We aren't sure how many more witnesses the defense is going to put up, but we sense that there is a near and closing arguments could be heard tomorrow. Court resumes at 9 a.m. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.